Good day. The trimmer head of your brush cutter Stihl doesn't have any more wire. You want to know how to refill it? Well, watch this video, I'm showing it to you. Depending on your trimmer, you may have a different size on it, okay? But the process will be exactly the same, okay? The only thing you will need to worry about before to place the wire inside is what kind of wire you want to put in, okay? There's different size and different shape as well. Personally, I use a 3mm round, but they are thinner, they are even thicker than that, depending on what you want. I personally buy a big roll like this one because I use quite a bit. But if you don't use that much, you can use just a small packet that you will cut to size. But buying like this, it will come out cheaper. So let's open it and show you how we fill it up. To open the head is very easy. As we see on each side, we've got something to press. So we press it and we remove the white parts, like so. Once it's removed, we need to remove that middle part. So we press it and we turn it. And it should come off. That's it. For the length of the cable, what I do, I take it and I measure like that, 1 arm length. I do it twice, like so, okay? Once I've got the two, I've got a length that's good enough, and I cut it either with pliers like this one, or things that we use for gardens, okay? So you cut it, and you have one side. Now you repeat the same operation, because we need two. And now I have my two bits of wire. So let's place it inside the head. If you look inside, we've got two canals where we can place the wire, and there's a little hole here and on the other side as well. So we'll place it inside. If you can start with this side first, you will see that's better. So where is it? It's here. Okay, once it's placed, you will see inside there's a little arrow. So the arrow tells you where to turn the wire. So now we place it. So obviously if your wire is thinner, you'll be able to place more. If it's thicker, you'll be able to place less. Okay. Okay, now we reach the end. So when we reach the end, you will see there's two marks on each side, and it's made to clip the wire, okay? So now it's done, we'll do the same with the second one, and we'll clip it here as well. We now have our two wires fitted, okay? So now let's place it inside the head, and we turn it a little bit, okay? So like that, it doesn't come off. Then you unclip it here, and we place it inside the aluminium where the wire should come off, okay, like so. You see, like this one too. Now we are ready to rock and roll. We just place it where it should go and we clip it, and that's it. Job is done. That's it. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's been useful to you. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.